Hi guys! This is me, Eva G, ang inyong Pinay attendant dito sa Amerika. Now we're going na to the airport. Monroe. Wow! This is where me and Rachel, Kay, buy food every night before. Thank you, team.
Have a great trip.
Okay, you too. Have a great.
Get to California. Give me a text saying I got here, okay?
Okay, I will. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Drive safely. Okay, bye-bye. I'm here now at the airport. Now I'm going to look where is the American Airlines. And come with me, guys, to travel from here, JFK, to Los Angeles, and from Los Angeles to the Philippines. Guys, nag-check-in na ako dito sa American Airlines. Nakuha ko na rin yung tag ng aking maleta. So, yun natin kung ano susunod na ganap. Magtatanong na lang tayo kasi ang daming tao eh. Sobrang bait ni ate. Ayan o. Ayan siya. It's really, really nice. Ayan. That lady. She's really, really nice. Thank you for helping me. I don't know what's her name, but it's really, really nice. So guys, I already passed the security and I already checked in my luggage. But sad to say, I need to pay $100 because I'm over luggage. But it's okay because but somebody helped me, like the lady girl, the lady there on the check-in. Oh wait. I was looking for a breakfast where I can eat. So yeah, there's a lady there in the check-in baggage. She's really, really nice because she helped me. She said, "No, don't leave all those your things there. That because I'm over luggage, I'm about to throw it." But she said, "No, it's okay. Put all them together, and then let's figure out what we can do about it." So yeah, thankfully, napagkasya niya sa aking maleta, sa aking luggage lahat. So ayan, kaya $100. Supposed to be I need to pay like 200 or more. So thank you to this nice lady who helped me. Thank you so much. So now let's go. Let's find out. Oh, no. I don't know if I want to drink coffee. This is my first time again to drink coffee. But Starbucks is really, the line is too long. I need to eat. Hi, cutie. The dog. So let's look around where we going to eat. Ito lang yung bukas na pwedeng kainan. Okay, let's try this one. Because most of the store are still closed because it's too early, like 5 in the morning. So guys, this is our breakfast. So bagel and boss, and then lemonade without ice. So the lemonade like $5.82, $5.82, and also the bagel is $14.30. So yeah. Let's eat na. Ang laki niya pala, oh. So, kain na tayo, guys. Let's eat. Okay, let's go to restroom first. Ito pala yung mga flight information. It's cold. Saan kaya yung restroom nila dito? Ang ganda naman ito. Pero guys, naku po. Oh my God, my flight was delayed from 7 a.m. to 3 p.m. You know. Yes, I'm really, really tired. Oh, may ito pa, Devs Wear Prada too. So, I'm disappointed and I'm really, really sleepy. Very, very sleepy. Imagine guys, 2 a.m. I'm already awake. Kasi nga yung flight ko is 7 o'clock in the morning. But, you know, it's delayed. And they gave me like, first, like 1 p.m. and then became 2 p.m. Now it's already 4 p.m. I'm really, really sleepy. And I'm really tired. And I need to, you know, call many times the Philippine Airlines, American Airlines, to go to their assistant desk office, or because they need to change my flight, they need to change, even Philippine Airlines, they need to change my flight to coordinate with American Airlines. So, I want to sleep, but, you know, I can't because I really need to fix everything before I take a rest for a while. So, nandito na tayo ngayon sa kanilang, ano ba to, Walkalator ba tawag dito? Pasensya na kayo kung di nyo ako masyado naririnig. O kasi wala akong dalang ano. Ay, hindi ko pala suot. I'm tired. Really, really tired.
Who is this?
Ay nga pala. Not only tired, I'm really hungry. Ang haba pala ng ano nito, ng lakad, ang layo. Saka yung escalator, oh. Look. Ay! Yun. Tawag dito, ang taas. Ang taas ng ano, escalator nila, look, oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is the Lexicon boarding call from Alaska guest Jimmy Sabieta.
So we're here na. You can see there's a currency exchange. Hi, ma'am. Thank you. And then there is like, there is a Dear NYC where you can buy cups, sweaters, shirts, and where's the ba? 31-2N. So we need to follow the arrow. So this way. Ayan. Ay, sandali. Wait. This is the flight information. At ito po pala yung kanilang Italy wine bar. I'm really, really hungry na. Ito naman Brooklyn Shopping. I need to eat na, but I want some rice. I need some duty free pala to. I want rice. Wait. Hanap tayo. We need to look for restaurants. I hope meron doon. American Airlines. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I'm really tired. Pasensya na kayo Forgive me. Kapag nag-i-English ako kahit mali-mali kasi request ni baby. Sabi ni baby sa akin, paano pwede mag-English kasi hindi pinanonood ko yung vlog mo, hindi ko naiintindihan. Yeah, oh baby, are you listening? Are you watching? I told them you are requesting it. They requested this, you know, for me to speak English in the whole video, so you can understand what I'm talking, what I'm saying. So, ayan guys, nasa na ba yun? I was looking for my gate. I'm looking for my gate pala. Kasi baka mamaya malate ako. Imagine malilate pa ako niyan na ano oras pa lang, magi-11 pa lang ng umaga. And then yung flight 2:25. They have dancing here. Ano daw? Ayan. This is the JFK Airport.
Would you like to try some samples?
Thank you. Ang bango ah. Ayan pa may mabilihan ng ganyan. I love NY. Oh, I'm tired and I'm hungry again and again. Kahanap ako ng may kanin. Ito naman may rice and beans. Kaso, ano to Spanish na wala naman isda o kahit ano. Naghahanap talaga ng ano no. Ayan siya dito. Guys, meron silang ganito. Need a place to sleep tonight. Oh, diba? Kapag siguro talagang ano kayo, yung super delayed yung flight niyo, ayan. Pwede kayo magstay dito sa ano, sa hotel. Tama sa airport, diba? Anong oras na? Hindi pa rin ako nakakaalis dito sa New York. Until now, I'm still waiting for my flight. What time na? Ayan, cute. Hi, baby. Yun, di ba? I need to buy na lang kaya parang gusto ko kumain ng tinapay. Kasi I want rice. But they don't have rice here. Guys, tingnan nyo ang galing, no? O, diba? Para pag ikaw na yung gagamit, malinis na. Diba? Yung plastic, umiikot. So, this is my lunch. Dos toros, taqueria. Yeah. So, yeah. Finally, may rice pala sila. So, kain na tayo guys. Let's eat. So guys, ito yung gate kung saan kami sasakay. 3:30 pa daw. So this is my lunch. Meron siyang rice, parang cheese, onion, tomatoes, ano pa ba iba? Yan. Chicken, chicken. So let's eat na guys. Guys, finally, in 4 minutes, magbo-board na rin kami. Ayan po. Antok na talaga ako. Grabe. Oh my God. Nag-antay ako dun sa gate na 35 kasi nandoon talaga yung boarding pass ko at dun yung gate ko. Pagdating ko dun, papasok na ako, hinarang ako kasi hindi daw, wala daw akong, hindi daw dun yung flight ko. So ngayon, hinahanap ko na naman kung saan ako. Pinalitan na naman nila kung saan ako. Ngayon naman gate, gate 46 naman daw ako ngayon. So gate 46 naman. Pero buti na lang, hindi na ako mag-aantay ng matanggal kasi dapat gagawin niya sa akin 7 o'clock yung flight ko. Ano yung Sobrang ano na, sobra na ako napagod dito sa lugar na, sa airport na to. Kaya, ay nako. Parang antok na nga ako, gutom na gutom pa ako. Nakakain naman ako pero parang nagugutom pa rin ako lalo. Kasi nga wala akong tulog, di ba? So, nandito ngayon tayo sa Gate 46. Grabe. Whew. Oh my gosh. So, look. Sabi nila, mag-antay daw ako sa Gate 35, di ba? Magmula kaninang umaga, nag-antay na ako doon. Tapos pagdating ko doon, hindi ako pinapasok kasi sa computer nila, sa system nila, wala daw ako. Hindi, parang kinancel daw nung yung babae yung alis ko. Tapos nilipat naman nila ako ngayon dito. Grabe. 46 naman ngayon.
Carrying firearms to a TSA screening checkpoint of an airport is prohibited by federal law and regulations. Please check carry-on baggage for firearms.
So finally, boarding na kami. Ayan. Nakapag-Starbucks pa tayo. Ito yung voucher na free dahil nga sa ilang beses na delay yung flight ko. Ayan. Ayan, papasok na tayo sa aeroplano. So, merienda time. Kinuha ko yung turkey. Tapos kasi may cheese, ganyan. Eh, hindi ko alam kung ano yung isa pa. Kaya, ito na lang turkey. So, let's eat. Ay, ito pala siya. Ganito siya. Kasamang mga chemistry. Brownies. Saka, ganyan. Apple juice.
So there are price lock positions to those tray tables. And place any care and luggage underneath the seat in front of you or in one of the overhead bins. Flight attendants will now come one last time through the cabin to pick up any remaining customers.
Los Angeles, California na kami. Ayan na po, nakalabas na tayo. Mag-aantay na naman tayo ng panibagong flight papuntang Philippines. Paglabas nyo ng gate namin sa 49B, ayan namin, makita na kayo agad na ganito. Kasi ito pala yung waiting area ng American Airlines. So ngayon, hahanapin ko naman ang aking papuntang connecting flight. Pero mamaya pa kasing 11:55 yun. So, ang mangyayari niyan is ano pa ako? Mamaya pa. Mga 5 hours pa po uli ako dito. Yun. Ayan, nandito na kami sa Terminal B. Ang ganda ng kanilang ano dito, oh, parang duty free. Duty free nga, ayan. So, ayan, Terminal B. Ayan si Kuya, nakilala ko dito. Kasabay kami, papuntang Pilipinas. Ang daming kainan. Ay, kainan. Sa kabilang side pa rin mga kainan. Hermes, grabe, oh. Diba? So, ayan guys, dito kami sa gate na to papunta, papasok kasi gate, gate 225 yata kami. Hindi pa sigurado, di ba? So, ang daming pagkain dun, no, mabibila, no. KFC, Panda Express. Tignan niyo po, di ba? Napakataas nitong escalator na to. Oh. Dear LA, having your head in the clouds and perfectly acceptable. Ayan, ang laki ng gate ng ano na to, tung airport na to. Itong terminal pa lang na to terminal B pa lang po ito. So napakalaki. Babalik tayo dun sa may Panda Express at ano ba yung KFC, kain muna tayo, nagugutom ako. Kasi tinignan ko lang muna kung ano po, kung may tao na dun sa gate namin para masabi ko po yun sa boarding pass ko po. Kasi mahirap na kasi baka mamaya napakarami na yung tao. Naku, hindi ako nakakain ng Panda Express. Sobrang haba ng pila. KFC naman, ayam nang kinain. Bumili ako. Sobrang gutom ko. Nag-taste ako sa dalawang chicken. Ayan. Napakaraming tao. Makain. Ito nga, nagsarado na sila. Ayan po ang restroom doon. Actually, marami naman restroom dito. Kaso, punuan dito sa parang food court nila. Kaya, punta na tayo sa pinaka-gate namin. Doon may malapit na CR din. Na restroom. So, ayan. Pasyal-pasyal ko muna kayo. Ayun yung Panda Express, napakahaba ng pila. Pero ang ganda ng duty free nila dito Ayan, pwede kayong uminom dyan. Diba? Kain, nongga, drinks, diba? Panda Express, the line is too long. So long. So let's go na. Ato na tayo ulit sa gate na to. Malayo na naman natin lalakarin. Ayan na po ang gate 225. Nakita nyo, karamihan ho lahat dyan ay Pilipino. Kasi syempre Philippine Airlines, kaya ano pa expect nyo. So lahat ng karamihan sa passengers ay Pilipino. Nasaan na kaya si Kuya? Yun pala. Ayan. So ayan guys, boarding na kami. Pero mamaya pa kami, yung mga muna, business class muna. So ayan po yung mga pasahero. Ayan si Kuya na na-meet ko dito, Kuya Aurelio. Ayan, so ayan po. Ang saya. So, pasok na kami sa Airplano. So, ayan, 51J. So, diba? Si Ate. Tapos, ayan. Ibo-board na kami. So ayan, meron tayong headset, headphones, meron tayong blanket, and meron din tayong pillow. At ito ang ating monitor. So ayan.
Shall be cruising at an assigned
Ayan na.
altitude of 6,000 feet.
Passenger
We will now be showing
announcement in
you the
progress.
safety features of this aircraft. The Boeing 777.
We care about your safety, so please sit back and relax as we explain the safety features of this aircraft.
be sure all carry-on items are securely stowed in overhead compartments and small heavy items under the seat in front of you. Ang tawag.
Luisa,
Papa, si Diego.
Mayroon libreng night kit. Ito po ang ating first meal ay fish escabeche. Ayan. Ayan na. Tapos ayan na. Meron siyang apple juice. So guys, ayan, nagbigay sila ng snacks. Ano ba to? Sandwich yata to. Saka ito. Kain tayo ulit. So ayan po ang aming breakfast. Scrambled egg, hash brown, bacon. Ayan, 30 minutes na lang. Nasa Manila na. So ayan na guys, magla-landing na kami sa Manila.
Please be reminded that power banks and spare batteries are prohibited inside the overhead stowage bins. If you have these items, please keep them on your person, or you may put them in the seat pocket or under the seat in front of you. We will be coming around to assist you as you prepare for our
Ito yung food namin the whole flight. Ayan, escabeche. Tapos, this breakfast. Meron din gamis. Manila na kami. Ayan na po guys, labas na. Palabas na po kami. Ayan, papalabas na kami. Welcome to the Philippines. Mabuhay. Ayan na, nandito na tayo sa Pilipinas. Welcome to the Philippines. Ayan. Welcome to the Philippines. Kailangan ng e-travel. Wait, hanapin ko nga yung ano ko, e-travel ko. Ito po ang duty free ng Philippines. Welcome to the Philippines. And immigration na tayo. Okay, nakalabas na ako. Punta ko na sila. Ang aking nanay kong pinakamamahal.